How to delete REDnote account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to Net Nimble. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your REDnote account. So let us dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is launch your REDnote app. Open it up and make sure that you're logged into your account. Head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right, and now you will be on your profile. What you'll then need to do is head over to your settings. Tap on the gear icon that is right besides the edit profile option. After that, you'll be on your settings. Now what you'll need to do to delete your REDnote account is head over to your account security. After you're there, scroll down all the way and you should find an option called account cancellation. For this, you will have to bind your mobile number earlier and set a password. After you've done that, tap on account cancellation and make sure that you select this terms and conditions. After that, simply tap on the red icon, the red button, and after you do that, you will get a verification code or you'll just have to type in your password. After you do that, you will have deleted your REDnote account. I will not delete my REDnote account because I do not need to delete it, but you can do it by simply tapping on this red button right here. And yeah, that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more and bye bye.